Rugged polyester bin and swivel frame. Telescoping handle and swivel front wheels. Accordion folding design with carry case. Removable reinforced bottom. 5 cubic feet frame size. From the beach to the ball field, from the city park to the national park, take along a slice of convenience wherever your adventure leads. Highly mobile, and designed specifically for some of the most popular outdoor activities, the Day Trip collection provides ease during your trip and comfort at our destination. The rugged polyester bin and steel frame on the Coleman Outdoor Camp Wagon can go just about anywhere. Telescoping handle and swivel front wheels make it easy to maneuver. Accordion folding design with carry case and removable reinforced bottom make it convenient to store. Top reviews from the United States. Essential for families. So you go around the park and you see families with these carts and you think, what a bunch of lazy people, or why do they have so much stuff? Such consumerists. Until you have a family, and your kids have a bunch of stuff. Or maybe you have already forced your kid to walk a bunch that day and... Anyway. Don't be so judgmental for such a small thing when there are so many terrible things in the world. Okay. I am ranting, but I love this cart. It is so useful. We went camping. It was supposed to be car camping, but the site ended up be 1/2 mile from the car through a sand path with even a flight of 10 steps. I had to make 8 trips with this cart loaded and it survived. My back did not. 5 stars.